Brushless, big deal. This is a high quality tool. Okay, it's one. Yeah, different speeds. Real nice feeling trigger. So oscillating tool, if you do any drywall work, this is a must have. If you want to, I mean, you can make small cuts in wood. It's a multi-tool. Use it for everything. And this is one of the things I like about these DEWALT oscillating tools. I can just grab this, pull it back, set this in, and let go. And it's done. I don't have to worry about cranking on it with anything. It's just there. It's that easy. And it has a ceramic or tile cutting tool on it. So this is a 1-gang box saw attachment by Cubit. Just like that. And you can see what we got. It's just going to cut out a perfect little box.